Hi everybody, it's Cindy A. Lewis, and we are going to open door number 4 for the 4th day with the 12 cents of Winter Wonderland Advent Calendar from Homeworx. And this is a pretty blue one. Let's smell it. Can you smell? The scent says it is Snow Day, Winter Mint, Sparkling Bergamot, Crushed Fir Needle, and Sugared Musk. Yeah, I can smell some neat fir needles and some winter. I don't know if it's the mint I'm smelling. Maybe the musk I'm smelling. Anyway, let's light it and see how it smells around the room. Let's do this. May need a new striking pad. There we go. Our candle, counting down to Christmas with these 12 cents. This one smells good. It's so far number 1's been my favorite. I do like number 3. Number 3, which is the one Dreaming of a White Christmas, started really smelling good after it burned a while. And tomorrow is Spruced Air. So we'll see. I did get the Winter Wonderland smell scents. It does smell good. All right, well, while we're here, I'm going to go ahead and open my diamond press for day 4 as well. This advent calendar is super fun, has had some really fun things in it. Just going to scoot that candle up. And let's open door 4. So do you open an advent calendar? I don't know if everybody does, but it is sure fun to open an advent calendar and kind of see what we get and be surprised. My sister sent me one too. Okay, I wonder if this is stamps. What do you think? I see a die, paper craft die, and that's what it is. They're paper craft dies. So they are leaves and they're dies to cut out your paper with. Cute. And leaves can be used just anytime, really. So let's look at them real quick. We're not going to make anything with them today. We're just going to see what we got. So we've got these 2 sets and this larger set. Nice. Really nice. Really fun dies to use for crafting. So thanks so much for watching, everybody. I know this was kind of quick. And you have a wonderful rest of your day.